I share Purium because I live these products every day. This raw, cleansing, nourishing, detoxifying, plant-powered, nutrient-dense, rich, living, raw superfoods, because I know from me living it that this will repair your body. Whatever you're going through, if you're addicted to anything, if anything is ailing you, it's a sign that your body is toxic and it needs repair. And so what do we do in this Western world, this allopathic medical system? We take pills and it masks the issue. It doesn't solve anything. It makes it worse. That's the business model. Purium is the exact opposite. This is natural plant medicine that is grown on regenerative soil, and its design is to repair your cells, to activate your cells so you can repair whatever is going on. It sounds simple, but that's exactly what healing is about. You have to have the conscious mindset and to have knowledge that this can be done a certain way, but you have to untrain your mind. The way we've been taught to think about what medicine is, it's all backwards. We have to go back to the earth, to plants, not this petroleum-based, processed garbage that's destroying your organs from the inside out. We have to redo everything because they've made people believe in a system. They don't want you to know about it. They just want you to believe it. And it's the same governments with religions. They just want you to believe. Just believe us. It's okay. Be a lemming. Don't think. Don't have any thought about, hey, this could be wrong. We need to rewire the brain. That happens when you rewire your gut. It's symbiotic. But see, people are trapped. They are trapped in their cravings. They are trapped in their traditions. They are trapped in their food. Oh, my precious food. That food, your habits, is killing you. You have to fast. You have to abstain. This is how you heal. This is what it means to be a light body. The dormant cells get activated on a level that is just bliss. It's every day. I'm blown away, and you just want to spread it. You want to spread it around because you can see the change that happens within you. And then you're like, this is how things change. This is how we can repair humanity and get rid of the things that are ailing us on an individual level and a collective level. But it's got to start from within. You have to have that conscious willingness to uproot your lifestyle. Change is made. Radical change can be made, but you can't just try it for a week or even a month. You have to give it time. The 90-day way is one of Purium's slogans, and they say it takes 90 days to reverse a habit, to see lasting change. And I've lived this. I'm living it every month. I'm going on my third 90 days, and it just gets better. The health interest is compounding, and I'm just seeing the improvement every day. The way that I look, the way that I feel, the positivity that just keeps coming out, the consciousness, the frequency inside you. You got more light coming in. The angles of light, angels are coming into you. That's what it means. When you have angels on your side, you have light. You are light. The demons are dense. This is matter. Demons are parasites. They are entities that attach onto you, and they keep you in that lower emotional state. Angels and demons. Angels are light. And this happens when you detox, when you cleanse, when you get rid of these things, when you change your life from within. Then you find that Christ within you. The kingdom is within you. The power of the Christ is within you. But you can't just believe. You can believe it. You can do that. The power of belief is very real. But if you want that lasting change, you're gonna know. You're gonna see the change within you. You're gonna see your habits. You're gonna get rid of all of it. The toxicity just bleeds away. It goes away. And you become empowered. And then what do? You want to share it. You want to help people. That's what you want to do. You just want to help. And then you see people and how trapped they are. And you're like, no, here, look, go this way. Stop on the left, come to the right side. That's the enlightenment. That's where you get the enlightenment, on the right. But you'll be trapped in the left if you're living in this carnal state where it's eat, consume, you know, where you're literally full of shit. Like that saying is true. People, they're full of shit, and it's not good shit. It's toxic shit. And that's why you gotta fast. That's why you gotta cleanse. You gotta get rid of this stuff. And it's not easy. It's hard. It is hard. And you know what's stopping people? Themselves. But really, it's the entities that don't want you to stop. It's the gut downstairs, the way that you feel after you have that burger or you pop that pill. It makes you feel at balance. And that's a trap. I continue to share Purium because I'm just trying to show people how good life can become. Every day is heaven. There is no ups and downs. Every single day is bliss. Every single day. We all have our limitation that you're going to have to deal with for the rest of your life. But when you get your body back to balance, back to homeostasis, and you climb out of the lower realms, the lower chakras, and you continue to climb Jacob's ladder. This is what everyone should be trying to achieve. That's life. The beauty is everywhere. It's everywhere. And so I know there's people out there that need help, and there's so many different companies and that offer different things that claim to help you. Hey, try this, try that. Like, it's a piecemeal thing. Like, here, go over here, go over there. Everyone's trying, this is the shift we're going through. There's companies that are trying to help people. I know that. I've been on this journey for 8 years now. And I'm telling people that this superfood business, this superfood company Purium that I've been involved with for a year now, that I've been promoting for the last, few months, I'm doing it because I know there's someone out there that will see the radical change that I felt in my life. And that's why I do it, because it's not about the money. It's about the lifestyle and the consciousness, that me trying to spread the consciousness out. That's really what it is. It's really nothing else. I make money in many different ways, but this is like, wow, it's a calling. It really is. I just got back from the gym and I am in like the best shape of my life. And it's coming from like the purest, most loving place where I know that everything that I'm putting into my body is clean. It is plant-based. It is completely animal-free. But I'm talking to anyone. I'm talking to anyone who's looking to make a change. But I want to let you know that I started my journey into where I am now 8 years ago, and I was eating meat. I was eating anything. I would eat anything. And I thought that to get gains in the gym, to look my best, I had to have animal protein. I had to. It's a myth. It is a myth. I have not had meat in going on 6 years. And I'm stronger than I was during those times when I was at peak fitness in 2007, 2010, 2015, 2018, 19. I'm in better shape now, eating clean, raw, living food lifestyle than I was in any of those times. Any of them. I was taking all kinds of supplements that were terrible for me. Terrible. All kinds of side effects. I would get headaches all the time. You name it. I felt good. But now I'm free. I'm completely free from attachments to foods, knowing that they weren't serving me. This lifestyle is the ultimate highest level of service to your body. That's really what it is. You are of service to your body first. You are claiming, I love my body and I am going to serve it the best. I am going to treat it as it is my temple. I am not going to poison it anymore. I am not going to put toxins into my body anymore. I am going to give it the most best, rich, beautiful superfoods that I have ever come across. That's what you're claiming. That's what you're saying is going to happen. Someone out there needs to hear this. I won't stop. I can't because you just want to share. You just want to share how good it is, how good it feels. Good. To be good is to be godly. God is light. God is the sun. In the Bible, it says God is light. That's all it is. You're trying to share. You're trying to share light. Have a beautiful, blessed day, everyone. I hope that this message reaches you and you're doing well. Many, many blessings. Until next time.